Open your hand and do that. What do you need? What are you looking for?
My goggles.
Where are they? You don't know where your goggles are? I thought you had them.
Yo, what's going on, guys? So Chance here, back with another video, and today we're gonna be solving the missing goggles kid. Now, this mystery has been out for 5 years now, and I'm gonna be solving it using math. So shout out to math. We couldn't have done this without it, and I've been doing equation after equations, and then when I finally figured out the equation, I did a take. I recorded this whole video, and then my mic was muted, and then I did it again, and then my mic wasn't working. So this is the last time. So if you're actually watching this, that means that my mic finally worked. So let's begin. Again, it's like the third time I'm doing this math. We're gonna be solving the mystery of the missing goggles kid. Very famous mystery out there. Now, we all see this mystery because of the cameraman, or the camera woman in this case. Now, I'll be doing a short, cameraman, I'll be doing C for short. I have a hypothesis that the cameraman actually knew where the goggles were. Now you're all going to be shouting, in the comments and stuff. But, let me prove it. So, as a kid comes out of the water, so this is the water. As a kid is coming out of the water, see that he's asking, where are his goggles? Where are the goggles? And he's looking to his left, looking to his right, and he can't find it. But the cameraman over here is telling the kid to rub his forehead and see if he found it there. Now, why would the cameraman be recording this and telling the kid to do it and laughing? That's why I think the cameraman actually knew where the goggles are. So we're gonna be doing C, and for this whole equation, we're gonna be saying that the cameraman does know where his goggles were. So this is the very important part of the equation. Now, now that we know that the cameraman knows that. Very good spelling. Very good. The cameraman knows. Okay, the cameraman knows where the goggles are, and he tells the kid to rub his forehead. And what does the kid do? He has his head right. He moves up an unidentified head object, which in this video we're gonna be UHO, unidentified head object. He moves that object up and rubs his head. Obviously, there's nothing in his head. Now, he just keeps looking, he can't find it. But what if I told you that this unidentified head object that he moved up was actually, you guessed it, the goggles? Now, again, you guys are not going to believe me, but this time, I'm going to write an equation to prove it by using math. So, let's begin, shall we? So the equation begin, you got to do the simple equation. So UHO, unidentified head object, times my skill, which is doing MS for short. My skill, we all know, is infinite. So since my skill is infinite, UHO times my skill will be infinite. Now, what is infinite? Well, if we turn it to the left or the right, but turn it to the left, because why would you turn it to the right? You get an 8. Okay, you get an 8. What is 8? Well, 8 is 8 if we cut it in half, right? What do we get? A 0. 0, right? What is 0? 0 is the amount of people that asked. So 0 equals amount of AOPTA, which in this case we'll be just doing ATA. So the amount of people that asked, we know that that's 0, and since nobody asked and they keep asking and nobody cares, what does that make them? You guessed it. Annoying. What else is annoying? Yep, homework. Homework. We all know that's annoying. If you like it, just leave the video. Now, homework we all know is annoying. But why do we do homework? Because it's supposed to help us in our future in the universe. Or in our planet that's in the universe. Or even in your country that's in the earth. That's part of the universe. Yep. What else is in the universe, though? You guessed it. The sun. Yep. The sun is in the universe. What color is the sun, though? Good question, I hear you asking. The sun is yellow. What else is yellow? The sun. So, since now we know that the sun is yellow. Yep, the sun is yellow. What is the sun? Well, the sun is hot. The sun is very hot. What else is hot? You might be asking. The sidewalk. What in a hot sunny day. So just do sidewalk in sunny SSD. Sidewalk sunny day. And sidewalk on a sunny day is very hot. But why do people use the sidewalk? Because they have to go to places. They have to go. But why do people have to go to places? So they can, work and make money. Yep. Now, people work to make money. What is a way you can make money? Well, you can make money by doing esports. What is better than esports, though? We all know it. A-sports, exactly. A-sports. Now, let me just erase very quickly. Now we know that, A-sports is better than esports. So, but we look at A-sports, right? What letter, let's say it that way, does A-sports start with? An A. Some people might have difficulty in figuring that out, but if you do the math, kind of simple. Now, it's an A. What else starts with an A? Well, an apple. Yep, an apple starts with an A. But what color is an apple? Red. An apple is red. Correct. Now, what else is red? Blood. Blood is red. And where's the blood? Well, the blood is inside your body. So this is your body and this is the blood. What other body is there? What other body? The kid's body. The kid that's looking for his glasses. That's a body. What is a kid? Well, the kid is stupid. Yep, stupid. What is the opposite of stupid? Me. What is me? Me is smart. And what is smart? Me. So it's another loop. And what is me connected to? Well, me is connected to my parentheses signs. My skill equals a infinite sign that looks like a but. My skill. This part right here is equal to me. And what is me connected to again? The kid. And what is the kid looking for? The unidentified head object that now we have proof is that it is actually the goggles. There we go. Now we have proof using math. Hopefully my mic was working this time. The FBI have been trying to solve this case for 5 years now. And they couldn't do it. The government couldn't do it. Nobody could do it. They all said that nobody could solve it. But here we are. I just solved it. So, you guys are welcome. If you don't believe me, then you're just going against facts. You're just going against math. Again, shout out to math. And, I'll probably be in the news now. So, see you guys later. Peace.